Welcome. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk through the SubBid portal step by step. Each part of the demo is shown from one side of the marketplace at a time. First, what the estimator does, then what the subcontractor sees and does in response. Let's start on the estimator side. I'm going to upload a raw RFP or scope of work document and show how the AI reads it and drafts a structured project automatically, instead of typing all of that by hand. Next, still as the estimator, I'll create a bid package for a specific trade, walking through a short wizard to set the scope of work, the trade, and the deadline for bids. Before any invitations can go out, the estimator needs a directory of subcontractors to choose from. Now I'll select subcontractors from that directory and send out invitation links, then open the package for bidding. Logged in as the subcontractor, I'll show what happens if they have a question about the scope of work. They can ask it anonymously right from their invitation. Switching back to the estimator, I'll answer that question once and show how it gets published as an addendum visible to every invited subcontractor, so nobody gets a private advantage and nothing has to be repeated over email. Now let's switch to the subcontractor side. They receive a unique invite link, click it, and land straight in their invitation, already signed in. I'll show them reviewing the scope and documents, then submitting a bid amount, notes, and files. They can revise at any time while the bidding stays open. Rather than reading every bid line by line, I'll show the estimator asking AI to grade each one for completeness, compliance, and any red flags. Finally, the estimator picks the winning bid and awards the package. The winning bid will show as won, whereas the ones that have not been won will show as lost.